The Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority is banking on technology to address rampant cases of illegal LPG filling depots. EPRA says it is also working on a new system that will make it easier to track cylinders sold in the Kenyan market. EPRA's Director General Daniel Kiptor says that the regulator is also revising licenses framework to cover the entire LPG value chain to ensure storage cylinders meet strict safety standards. The agency is in the process of rolling out a bulk LPG program targeting to connect 11,000 schools.
The LPG transition in schools is part of government's clean energy agenda unveiled in December last year. The project seeks to reduce dependence on firewood, cut down on deforestation, and improve health outcomes for learners and staff exposed to smoke from traditional fuels.
We looked at the LPG regulations 2019. Now we have revised regulations of 2025 that have introduced licensing of installers, licensing of LPG cylinder manufacturers, which were not or provided for in the legal notice 100 of 2019. This now sets the stage for us to be able to license manufacturers, be able to license installers.
EPRA says it plans to embed digital tracking devices on LPG cylinders to make them traceable from the manufacturer to distributors and finally to the end consumer in homes, aiming to curb rampant illegal refueling that has gripped the industry.
The brand owner sometimes says, this cylinder, yes, it is mine. I brought it into the market, I manufactured it, I filled it once, it went to the market and it has never come back to me. But when there's an incident, then you cannot be able to trace it to who filled it last. So it's an issue of responsibility. But when we put in technology, we'll be able to follow and track this cylinder from when was it manufactured, by which manufacturer, now we'll be licensing manufacturers. When was it last filled, by which LPG oil marketing company.
The success of the clean cooking transition, according to EPRA, will depend on effective regulation and adoption of technology to ensure both safety and sustainability in the LPG market.
The installations that are going to be put in our schools are one, up to technical standards. We're able also to educate, working with the LPG OMCs to educate the teachers, educate the students to ensure they know what the do's and don'ts with respect to LPG.
We already can track all our cylinders. Every of the 4.7 million cylinders that Proto Energy has in the market, all of them have a barcode, and the barcode has a scanner in it. So we actually can tell. So ours is integrated as a whole country with the rest.
Trevor for Lunchtime News.